Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi viewers, I am Khuram Janjua and hope you all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I have brought for you the series of the 5 alternative words. Every day I will discuss with you the 5 alternative of the famous words that we normally use in our writing, and it will enhance your vocabulary and synonyms as well, because whenever you write you need the variety of words. The more you will utilize the words in your writing and speaking, the more you can put very healthy impact on others. So today I'll discuss the words. The first word is immediately. 5 alternatives of immediately. The first one is without delay. Granny needs her tablets, give them to her without delay. The next word is straight away. When I noticed the door was not locked, I knew straight away we'd been burgled. The next one is instantly. Instantly mean immediately. The pilot was killed instantly when the helicopter crashed. The next word is pronto. It's late, get the report finished pronto. Pronto mean immediately. The last one is at once. Come here at once, Johnny, said the mother, now impatient. So go for the next one, and the next word is 5 alternative to why. How come? How come I don't get a turn? How is that? And we can use the word how is that, the phrase used for instead of why. How is that he got the job and I didn't? Next one is tell me the reason. Can someone tell me the reason? We use the present perfect here. The next one is what's the point of? What's the point of talking to you? You never listen. And the 5th one is what for? Call you. What for? You never answer. Go for the next one, and that is thank you. 5 alternative to thank you. We can use the other word instead of thank you. The first word is you really shouldn't have. That's such a nice present, you really shouldn't have. Next one is you are too kind, you have bought me lunch. Oh, you are too kind. Cheers, cheers for that, it's really helpful. Next one is much appreciated. You work here is much appreciated. Next one is to very much. You made me tea, to very much. The next one is the alternative, 5 alternative to very sad. The third word is gutted. I was gutted that I couldn't come to your wedding. The next one is devastated. I have got to get a new goldfish today. The kids wouldn't be devastated if they knew the old one had died. The next one is desolate. Candy is desolate following her divorce. Next one is 4th one is inconsolable, and we can use the word inconsolable instead of very sad. He failed all his exams, he is inconsolable. The next word is broken woman. Hiro lost his job after 20 years and now he is a broken man. The next word is late. 5 alternative words for the word late. Delayed. The first one is she is going to be delayed. The traffic is bad. The second one is held up. I've been held up by the snow. I'll be there in an hour. The third one is behind. You are really behind. What that? It should have been finished last week. The fourth one is overdue. His library books were overdue, so he had to pay the fine. The fifth one is tardy. They were punished for the tardy arrival in class. That's all. Hope you have got some important information and the alternative words which I have shared in order to enhance your vocabulary, and utilize these words in your writing and speaking and make your writing more effective for effective communication. Take a great care of yourself. Subscribe my channel. I'll see you very soon for another alternative words. Take a great care of yourself. All the best.